Okay, so now we're going to listen to part 5 of the lecture. Is it part 5 or part 4? What part? Part 4 of the lecture. So this one we're going to hear an extended example. We have seen some examples that are very short, but this example is extended. It's a longer example, and it's an example about someone called Patch Adams. All right, so the lecture tells the story of Patch Adams, who is a real doctor, yes. And his story was made into a movie. His story was made into a movie by a famous actor called Robin Williams, one of my favorites. And the movie was called Patch Adams, and it was about the real man called Patch Adams. I'm going to show you some pictures. I'll search for them on the internet, and I'll show you while you're listening to it. Okay, let's see how our media file, why is it going around in circles? Is it unhappy? It says it's not responding. Why not? Is it asleep? Or it has an illness, it has an injury. Okay, well maybe I should try to close that. Okay, close the program. And then I need to open the program and find it again. Here it is. And then I need to find the CD and find the right sound file.
Part 4.
Part 4, here it is.
Have
Good.
you ever heard of Patch Adams?
Uh-huh.
Maybe you saw the movie called Patch Adams.
Yes, I saw it.
Uh-huh. The movie was a comedy based on the true story of Patch Adams, the doctor. Robin Williams, the famous comedian. I love Robin Williams. He is so funny. Yeah, you like him too? Robin Williams played the role of Patch Adams, who's both a medical doctor and a clown. He used to play jokes and make people laugh all the time in medical school. And he got into a lot of trouble because medical school was supposed to be, serious, not fun. They thought he was too childish and too happy. You see, Patch Adams had the idea that doctors should treat people, not just disease. Now, at that time, that idea of treating people, treating the whole patient emotionally, psychologically, socially, not just medically, was new, and nobody agreed with him. He went to see his patients in the hospital wearing a clown face, with a big red rubber nose. And he did all sorts of unusual and funny and crazy things that made patients laugh. And they discovered a personal bond with their doctor. And they felt human. And they felt hopeful. And they got better. Patch Adams did a lot of other things to try to change the health system. But the new concept at the time was using humor in the field of medicine. Today we know laughter helps make patients feel better. But what is the medical connection? Well,
Okay, so I'm going to stop right here to talk about the first section on the story. So the story, who is Patch Adams? He's a medical doctor, right? And he was also a clown, so he liked to do clowny sorts of things. And you could see the images that I brought up through Google Images show pictures of Patch Adams, the real Patch Adams, as well as the actor who played the role of the character of Patch Adams in the movie. Okay, so you can see the real Patch Adams here and the actor who has played many funny roles. He's a very good comedian, and he plays a lot of funny, not always, but mostly funny. So you can see like a red nose there. So Patch Adams, a medical doctor, and what happened to him in medical school? He played jokes, he made people laugh, and as a result, what happened? He nearly got expelled from school, kicked out of school, because they thought this guy is only making fun. He's a bad boy. He's not serious like a doctor should be. He shouldn't be playing. He shouldn't be making fun.
I know why.
Okay, so this is what happened to Patch Adams. Now, what unusual things did he do as a doctor when he was in the hospital? What unusual things did he do? He wore a clown face, right? And it had a rubber nose on it, like some of these pictures show you right here. Yeah? And he did funny things, and he made the patients laugh. And he made the patients feel better. How did the patients react to him? How did the patients react? Did they cry? Did they run away? Were they scared? They laughed, right. Okay. They felt a personal bond to their doctor. They said, this doctor really cares about me, right? They felt the doctor was human. And they also felt more hopeful. You know how it is when you're really, really sick. You have a terrible disease, like you've got cancer, and you think, oh, nothing is going to keep me alive, right? So they have connections with the doctor. They felt a personal bond, and they felt a lot hopeful, and they got better. So those were some things that occurred when he used laughter in the hospitals with some patients who were very sick. And that was very new, because in those days, he almost got cut out. They wanted to refuse his medical degree. But now, because of his insistence on trying a new method, a lot of people, a lot of researchers have actually gone into the field of laughter as medicine. So there's a lot more research on that. Let's listen to the second part about how laughter affects the immune system. Do you understand immune system? Your immune system? So that's part of your body that helps to fight bad things like microbes and germs, bacteria, diseases, and parasites. Your immune system, if it's strong, it can keep those things from harming you.
These days, people in the medical field do laughter research. They study the effects of laughter on the immune system. You know, the immune system is this amazing protection mechanism inside your body. That's what defends you against millions of bacteria and microbes, viruses, toxins and parasites, all that bad stuff that try to attack your body. If your immune system is functioning efficiently, properly, you know, if it's doing a good job, it protects you from those germs. If it's not functioning efficiently, it's easier for you to get sick.
Okay, I'm going to pause right here and see how much you can understand. The first question says, what's the relationship between the immune system and bacteria, microbes, viruses, toxins, and parasites? So what's the relationship? I think I explained it even before I played the audio. What is it? Protects you, right. The immune system protects or defends. Remember this verb, to defend, right? Okay. So the immune system defends you against these things, these harmful things like bacteria and microbes and viruses and parasites. It protects you. So it defends you. It protects you against those things. That's what your immune system does for you. So that's why it's good for you to have a healthy and strong immune system. And why are people under stress more likely to develop infectious diseases?
Because they have low
You have the low immune system, so people under stress are more likely to develop infectious diseases because their immune system's not functioning well, right? If your immune system's not functioning well, then it's like, come on in, germs, come on in, attack me. Okay, right? So that's how it kind of works, and that's why it's a good thing to be healthy in many ways. Because the healthier you are, the healthier you will still be. But the weaker you get, the more possible it is for you to get infected or for disease to attack your system. Let's listen to the part about positive stress.
Okay. So what does laughter have to do with the immune system? Well, according to Dr. Lee Burke and Dr. Stanley Tan of Loma Linda University in California, With laughter, the body gives off positive stress. Oh, you don't think of stress as positive, do you? Right. We usually think of stress as negative. We talk about being stressed, tense, being upset, worried, and all that. And people under stress are more likely to develop infectious diseases because their immune systems are not functioning well. But there is such a thing as positive stress. And positive stress causes the immune system to act more quickly and efficiently. Researchers have found that laughter has numerous health benefits. Yes, laughter is good for your body.
Okay, let's talk about the positive stress. So normally when we say stress, we think of something as anxiety, negative. But positive stress is good because it causes a person's immune system to do what? To act more quickly. Yes, to act more quickly and efficiently. More quickly and efficiently. So if you have some positive stress, it makes your immune system push out the bad things more quickly and more efficiently. Keep those germs away. All right, so that's what positive stress can do. And of course, everyone needs stress. If you don't have any stress at all, you cannot even get out of your chair. Right, I need some stress to say, okay, move your body, push it up, those legs and those, like that. You need some stress, right? So there is positive stress and there is negative stress. So let's look at the conclusion about numerous benefits.
Here's one benefit. The researchers found that T cells, which are cells that fight infections, these cells increase both in their number and energy level when a person laughs. In other words, laughter stimulates the immune system.
Okay, so this one was talking about a kind of cell called a T cell. So what happens to your T cells? They increase. Okay, so these are the ones that fight infections, and your T cells increase both in number, that means how many there are, and in energy level, that means they get stronger, they get more powerful during laughter. So when a person laughs, you get more numerous and more powerful.
The more you laugh, the more active your T cells become.
Yeah, the more you laugh, the more active your T cells become.
In addition to benefits for the immune system, laughter also decreases blood pressure.
So in addition to the benefits to your T cells and immune system, laughter does what to your blood pressure? Your blood pressure decreases. So your blood pressure increases at the moment of laughter, but then afterwards it helps gently decrease your blood pressure overall.
The more you laugh, the lower your blood pressure.
The more you laugh, the lower your blood pressure gets.
Laughter is good for your muscles. The more you laugh, the stronger your muscles get.
Okay, what about muscles? What happens to your muscles? The more you laugh, the stronger your muscles get. Okay, so your muscles get stronger when you laugh.
Laughing makes you breathe more deeply. It gives your lungs a good workout.
Okay, so what about your lungs? What happens to your lungs?
Pause.
Your lungs get a good workout. Yeah, the more you laugh, the more oxygen goes through your body, the more you breathe, the more deeply you breathe. And all of that will send more oxygen throughout your body. So that's good for you. Okay, so those are the benefits of laughter. So what do you say? Yes or no on laughter? Yes, it's good for you. Okay.